Wow, we've got this awesome cash drawer right here. So this cash drawer works in a variety of different ways here. So if you look at the bag that it comes with, so you're gonna get a couple different sets of keys right here. Now these keys can work as the unlock mechanism. So you see here you get 6 different keys. And right here on the front of your cash drawer, you just insert the key into the lock right here, and you give it a twist. And that is going to open up your cash drawer right there. So it allows it to come on out so you can access it. Close it up like that, it's good and closed again. You also have the cable right here, which can hook up to a point of sale system. So if you have a cash register, whether it's a smart one on an iPad or a physical cash register, this cord is going to allow it to be computer operated and it'll open and close automatically with your different transactions. All right, so super nice here. It's really high quality, made of great steel. So bringing you around here, we'll load it up with some money so you can see how good this works and how good it looks when it's all loaded up. You see here, you have all your different sections right here for your cash to go into. And it's got that spring-loaded arm on it, so it just holds it all in place really nicely. So let's get some money loaded up on there. All right, so you see just how nice and easy this works. So let's get our money all separated out here. So we got our 20s. So you just pop that open, drop your cash in, and it closes right down and holds it right in place. Just how nice and easy this works. So let's get some 5s here. That's a couple 5s going in. Then you got your 1s. Yeah, so you see just how nice and easy this works, how good it all looks. Just holds that money in place perfectly. Yeah, so there you have it all loaded up, so you can kind of see how it looks with the cash in there. Another great feature that it has all these coin slots right here. So you might have your change just spread throughout. And it's got the coin slots right here. You can kind of see it is kind of angled. So it's just really natural and easy to pull the coins out when you're counting out the change for your customers. So that's a great addition right there. Another thing that I really like about this, so it's got a slot for either inserting bills or checks or whatever have you. So if you had it open, let me grab a drawer real fast. If you need to make a deposit without opening the drawer, you can slide it right here into that slot. And that puts it inside the till right there. And we open this up right here, pull your drawer out, and this piece lifts out right there to show that dollar bill sitting in the drawer right there where we put it. So that's gonna be really useful for storing things away just like that. Then you put your change back in there and sort your bill wherever it needs to go. All right, so yeah, so this whole cash drawer right here is super high quality. It's really nice. One that I'll be using all the time, and it's highly recommended. This one's 16 inches. Yeah, super strong quality materials. It's got the Ethernet cable for the point of sale system. Yeah, so whatever you're needing here, highly recommended.